So right now I am getting ready to go to Virginia with my family, and we're going to see Manyah graduate from high school. I'm so excited for her, and I cannot wait to take you all with me on this trip. So let's go. We're at Shoney's right now. Got my little girl holding my hand.
Y'all been to sleep? Yeah, I have. I've been to sleep.
Look who I'm reunited with. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're at the seafood market, Henry Seafood Market.
If you have to have them early Monday,
Well, we're gonna leave about 11 o'clock.
yeah, I can get it off for you. Want to take your heads off?
No,
And here's the second piece.
Hey, I went just chilling, family time. I went on the diet.
Speedos.
Yes. Hey, good. Hey, y'all. Look, my name is Trey. I got a basketball game tomorrow. Trey. You Trey. Hey. You really got a basketball game tomorrow? No.
Okay.
You can see like.
Okay. Okay everyone, so right now we are at the hotel and we are, look at this view, how pretty, and we're right in front of the Coliseum. Beautiful. That's a pretty fountain. Right now, we're on the 10th floor.
Oh, somebody go down right there.
Oh my goodness.
This is scary. Oh my gosh. It's like how the Griffin is. No, the Griffin is higher than this. I feel like you saw it hurt me when that jumped. I'm like this. Hello, how are you? Hello. How could she do this?
Okay. Alright, so Manyah, you're about to graduate from high school right now. Well, not right now, but tomorrow. I meant to say tomorrow. Okay, so how are you feeling?
I'm so nervous and happy at the same time, and I'm sad too.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm gonna miss my teachers and my friends, but I'm really scared because I just hope I don't fall.
Oh no, you're not gonna fall. You're not gonna
I
fall.
feel right out because my heels.
Your heel, how tall is it?
It's not real tall, but you know how the skinny heels is. I could walk in. I'm just a little bit nervous. I'm gonna be nervous because everybody's gonna be yelling and screaming. So
Okay. Well, you won't fall. Just
I just gotta concentrate.
you gonna do it? Concentrate. Focus.
Okay. We're back.
We're back. Our video got kind of cut off because my the memory on my phone was full up. But we're back. Okay, so tell me how you're feeling for tomorrow.
I'm excited, I'm nervous, and I'm sad. I'm sad because I'm leaving my friends and my teachers. I'm really gonna miss my teachers because yeah, I have been strongly showed my teachers this year. And I'm gonna be so sad because me and my friends, we're just gonna be splitting away. Some friends going out of town, colleges and stuff. And I'm just nervous that I don't fall. I gotta be focused when they call my name. I gotta be focused.
See y'all tomorrow. Yes, we'll be there. Of course, you will. Well, we all will. Yeah, because she's graduating. Okay, so we're getting ready to go. Well, we are already ready, and I'm so excited. And Marty did my makeup already. And yeah, so soon we're getting ready to go to Manyah's graduation, and it's today, so I'm so excited. My outfit. Here's my outfit.
Have you seen Angelique?
Yeah, Quayla got a more phone. It was securing the policy. I'm about to walk up now.
Balloons? This is the first time I've been to all the
What's her saying that?
I hate to even tell you that. This is my age.
What you mean? Well, I mean, what stuff she want? 440 on which side of the hospital? Is it? Yeah, you gotta be careful.
There's Manyah. That's her name. Hey, we're so excited. We're excited. This is the graduation.
Congratulations.
Yes. Congratulations, Manyah. Congratulations, Manyah.
So proud of you.
Yes.
Congratulations, Manyah. Class 18.
Yes. Yes. Congratulations.
I now declare you graduates of Heritage High School. You may now leave your classes.
When cousins reunite.
Yes, we're reunited. Yes, we're
I'm so
reunited.
happy to see you. My cousin.
Yes, we're reunited. And so good to see you.
All the way in South Carolina, and I'm here in Virginia.
Yep, but
we
we're
never really see each other like that.
Yep, but we're back. Alright, bye. Thank you. You're welcome. So today we're going to my cousin Donnell's church day and we're going to surprise him, so let's go. So we're back from church and we definitely enjoyed going to church. Donnell and Joanne did a great job at church, and their whole church family was so nice to us, and we definitely recommend if anybody is in Virginia to go and visit them. And I will leave a link in the description box to their church, and definitely go, and I definitely recommend it. And yeah, so all right, bye. Okay, so right now we are getting ready to leave, and it's sad, but alright. And I just want to say I love my family so much, and I had so much fun just spending time with y'all and hanging out. We're gonna come back and visit my family again soon, so yeah. Also, I just want to say again, congratulations to Manyah on graduating high school. I'm so proud of you, and you have awesome goals and dreams ahead of you, and I'm just so proud of you. And just always remember, I'm here for you. I'm at the end of the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and also leave a comment below. Let me know what year did you graduate from, and just let me know, because I'm just curious. I want to know what year did you all graduate from. And I graduated the class of 2010. Yes. Wow, I've been at school for 8 years. It wasn't that long, but time flies. But yeah, so let me know in the comments below. All right, well, I'll see you all later.
Or somebody said, why she act like she got a job?
Like, I thought you were supposed to have a jaw. Like, what they trying to say?
Very formal. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. We're still recording.
Oh, that's
Okay. Manyah, you want to hear a funny story? Okay. So whenever I graduated from high school, I got my diploma. I was walking across the floor because we didn't have the stage, because they wouldn't let us go outside. But anyways, so I was walking, and so all of a sudden I got my diploma. I was getting ready to go back to my seat. The lady's like, "Oh no, you better come back and shake my hand too." I'm like, "You too?"
Did everybody mess up, or was you the only one that messed up?
I think some more people.
Oh,
yeah.
I was say,
It was some more people, but I'm like, I thought it was only one person. I thought she was just standing there. I didn't know how to shake her hand too. It was so funny.
I was like, whoops, sorry.
But yeah, it's funny.